Alright, what's going on everybody? So today, me and my buddy are going to be installing a catless downpipe on a 2020 Supra. I'm pretty excited to make this video. I don't have that much B58 content on the channel, so I think this will be pretty sick, especially for you Supra owners. If any of you guys are watching, that would be really cool. Yeah, we're going to be doing a catless downpipe install today. I'm super excited for this, so let's get right to it. Moved all these, got the under tray out. All right, next up, you gotta take the O2s out. So there's like a little tab, and basically what you have to do is you have to get under here and push it to the left. You just push it left and then it disconnects the O2s. And then you're ready to basically get back under the cart and start assembling the downpipe. So let's get to it. We're gonna start by taking this bolt out right here. I believe this is a 13, and then we're gonna work our way up. But first we gotta disconnect the exhaust portion from the downpipe in order to make this a lot easier. So now we have this one disconnected. So this allows us to flex this a little more in order to back this up to get the downpipe separate. And then next we gotta do this 13, and then we should be able to disconnect this from the downpipe. But this V-band right here is giving us a bit of problems. It's getting stuck. So I just threw some WD-40 on there. Hopefully that'll loosen it up a bit. But all right, so once you get the V-band for the exhaust disconnected, separate the downpipe from the exhaust. So there's two copper bolts. Right now I'm removing those with a 13. And honestly, like, it's no trick. Like, you can just get a ratchet up in there and loosen them. You have enough space, so it makes it easy. We got the V-band on the top off. So this is interesting. I don't know if this is like how it is, but so there's a nut on that part of the V-band. That normally is supposed to come off. It seems like it's part of the piece of the V-band right there. I'm not too sure. This is a 2021, by the way, not a 2020. So I don't know if that has something to do with it, but it's fine. It's staying there. We got the V-band loose, so now we can drop the downpipe. Got the V-band done up top. That was a little bit of a pain, but you feel it out really. There's no way to show it. Got the O2s plugged in. We also got this tightened up, and we're gonna start it up and see how she sounds. Oh, there it goes. Holy shit. Oh my, right, this sounds good.